So here's the thing. In many languages, you can make a question just by changing your voice, just by going up at the end. And that feels natural, that feels easy. But in English, when you make a question, the little helper word, the am, is, are, it moves. It jumps to the front. It leads the sentence. It announces, this is a question.
So, you are studying. That's a statement, a fact. I'm telling you something. Are you studying? The are jumped to the front. Now it's a question. I'm asking you something. She is sleeping becomes is she sleeping? They are leaving becomes are they leaving? He is being weird becomes is he being weird? Which is sometimes a very necessary question.
Very necessary. The helper word always leads the question. Think of it as the question's announcement. It walks in first and says, attention, a question is coming.
I love that. The announcement word. Okay, confidence exercise time. This is the moment. No hiding, no waiting. Everyone say this sentence. Say it with us, out loud, right now.
I am learning English, and I'm getting better every day.
Say it again. I am learning English and I'm getting better every day.
Did you feel that? Two alive, moving, video moment sentences. I'm learning, happening right now, this chapter of your life. I'm getting better, in progress, ongoing, still moving forward. Both true, both yours.
Both completely true. And I want to say, if you said that sentence, even quietly, even just in your head, that already proves it. You are learning. You are doing it right now.
Right now, this moment, the video is rolling. Okay, let's close with our little story. One character, one journey, all the feelings we talked about today.
His name is Daniel. He's sitting at his kitchen table right now. He's holding a warm cup of tea, not drinking it yet, just holding it because it's still too hot. He's watching the rain fall against the window, and he's thinking about a phone call he needs to make. He's practicing the words in his head. He's preparing. He's being brave, even though it doesn't feel like bravery yet. But he's doing it, slowly, right now.
He is sitting, he is holding, he is watching, he is thinking, he is practicing, he is being brave. All of it alive, all of it the video, all of it right now.
And that's you too, isn't it? You're sitting somewhere right now, you're listening, you are learning, you are being brave. Maybe it doesn't feel like bravery, but pressing play, staying with us, saying those sentences out loud, even when it felt a little uncomfortable, that's bravery. That's the video of your life right now in English.
Silence is more dangerous than a wrong sentence. Always.
Always. So keep making the video. Keep the action alive. Keep the ing going in your real life, not just in English class.
Quick recap before we go. When something is happening right now, when the action is alive and moving, bring in the helper word and the ing. I'm doing this. She's working on that. They are figuring it out. Whether it's this exact second or the current chapter of your life, if it's in motion, let the language move with it.
And remember the 3 things to watch. Some words are feeling words. They stay simple, no ing. Questions need the helper word to lead, and the photograph and the video are different. Use the right container for the right moment.
Communication first, grammar later. You are not trying to be perfect. You are trying to connect.
And you are already connecting. Every time you listen, every time you try, every time you speak, even imperfectly, even nervously, you are connecting.
Not perfect, but confident. That's the whole philosophy. English is not a test, it's a tool, and right now you are using it.
If today's episode helped, if something clicked, if something finally made sense, please share it. Send it to a friend who's on this journey. Leave us a comment. Subscribe. It keeps this little podcast family growing, and every new listener is someone we get to help, and that matters to us. It really does.
It really, really does. Thank you to the subscriber who sent in that question. You gave us this whole episode. You gave all the other learners listening something they needed. That's a gift.
A genuine gift. Okay, everyone, until next time.
Keep the video rolling.
Keep speaking.
Keep going.
We're so proud of you. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.